cutting now my coupons because during the day I cannot cut the coupons. I need to take care of our daughter. So I already subscribed to the Sunday newspaper that have insert so that I don't need to go to the store. So there, I already got the pull-ups coupon here. So I have Smart Source. I also have Retail Me Not Everyday coupon. This is what it looks like. And inside there is like clips of Family Dollar. You can get a lot of coupons in the Sunday newspaper insert. And it's available also. Some are available also in the website. You can print it in PNG and also to coupon.com and to some of the brand website. So I already cut some of this. So in here I have like for food, I have Garnier also. This is a refill for Windex. And I have that also in this part. I have Maybelline product here. This is for Eucerin lotion. And for Nivea, I have Nivea also here. The other one is for $1. I have some coupon for Country Crack. And this one is for cereal. So for Dove lotion. For Persil. Some coupon you can use it like for example this one says limit 1 coupon per purchase and limit 1 identical coupon per shopping trip. So it's like you can buy 2 product and use 2 coupon on that. I have dial also some tissue wipes, and I got also some of the for Sargento cheese. We're using the Sargento shredded cheese for our spaghetti sauce, so I can use that. I have a lot of L'Oreal coupon for makeup, for lipstick, and for shampoo and some hair product. I got a lot of coupon for Colgate, mouthwash, toothpaste for kid, and also mouthwash for kid. And I also have some coupon for Palmolive. But last time when I went to the CVS, their dishwashing soap are empty, the rack. So I also have Jergens coupon for lotion, and I also have coupon for batteries, for cranberry juice. We're drinking cranberry juice. Coupon for pull-ups diaper, and many more that I need to cut. And later I'm gonna show to you guys my coupon book and how I organize my coupon book. So I'm gonna continue cutting because I still have like 3 or 4 that I need to cut. So this is my coupon binder. I found this in our basement in one of the bins. And in the page, this is my extra bucks reward. I got $29 extra bucks reward in CVS last time. And in the first page, I have my coupon for deodorant for men and women. I also have Eucerin printable coupon that I got in Eucerin.com. Then I have detergents that I cut out earlier. I have some Nivea lotion coupon $1.50. Other one is $4. And in this part, my Maybelline coupon. So I have for lipstick, for face, and for eyes. This is my L'Oreal. I got also coupon for Rimmel Cosmetic, I think. Oh no, this one is Retinol Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, and this is my Rimmel coupons. The other one is I print in coupon.com, and the other one is on Sunday insert. So I have also some of the Pantene and Head and Shoulders that will expire on April 11. And I have Suave also for men and women. My husband is using this kind of Suave shampoo. I have Tresemme also that I print out in coupon.com. Oh no, I print out this one in Unilever when I subscribe to their website, and also the Caress product and the Axe. So I have also Olay products here. My coupon. And I have Dove soap and body wash. I have Secret also for deodorant, and this one is Old Spice. I have also for herbal essence. I have 3. This one is for Zest or Coast bar soap. I have my Garnier coupon also. This one, I like using the Garnier product, and also their conditioner. I have Whole Blend also, and they have some for hair color. I have some coupon also for Oral-B, for Crest. And this one is new, like One Burt's Bee. I have coupon for toothpaste also. This one is for Sensodyne, for Colgate. I have for kids also. Oops, it's okay. And this is for Lysol product for cleaning in the bathroom. I have Arm & Hammer toothpaste coupon also, and also for Glade and Airwicks. I just cut all the coupons that on the Sunday insert, but I'm not gonna use those all. So if someone's need it in the store, I can just give it away. But I'm trying to limit my shopping. So this one is Persil, and I have Cascade also for dishwashing. Their favorites is buy one get one, and I have Mr. Clean also. This one I print that in coupon.com. Also this one will expire on 18th. I have hand soap of coupon for $1, and the other one is 50. This one is 50, the hand soap, and this one is a body wash. I have Dial body wash also, and then a Palmolive dishwash liquid, but it's out in the store. So this one I print out in soap.com. And this one are my coupon for Gillette, and this one is for bath paper towel, but most of this stuff are out in the store, so I just print out in case. So this one's space. I have coupon for wipes also and diaper. Last time I bought training diaper for my daughter. I also have coupon for pull-ups, and this one is napkin and panty liner. So I have a lot of coupon here that I got also from coupon.com. This one is snack cheese. This one is protein shake. The other one is cling wrap. I have milk coupon and yogurt. This one is pencil. Oh, this one is, yeah. I have coupon also for Nature Valley. I might use that next time. And some coupon for Chobani product. And this one is more, the last part is more on foods. Here are some of the coupon that I have. This is for sugar. I have a coupon also for ice cream. So I have 2 coupons, I think 2 or 3. So sometimes they sale like buy one get one. So let's see if we can use that before end of April. I have coupon also for Jimmy Deals. I don't know this product because we don't eat much of the frozen food. So I have some coupon for candies and oatmeal. This one is for butter, for coffee, and the Kellogg's cereal. So I have 3 of this. So we're eating a lot of cereal and Cheerios. Here are some of my coupons, and I also have a coupon for cranberry. Good thing I found this one because we're drinking cranberry also. And I have battery coupon also for toys, and I have coupon for dog treats. And that's all, guys, my coupons. This is like 50 pages that I bought this sleeve in Amazon. The name of the brand is Hobby Master. I like the way how thick it is, and they have different style like this one. You can print 6 of this, and you can just insert it back to back. So thank you so much, guys, and be safe, and God bless you all.